Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Greedy thief. On a sunny day, a huge wind blew through Forestville.
Woo! It's really nice out today. This kind of weather is perfect for flying kites.
As Sheriff Labrador watched the branches swaying in the wind outside the window, he mumbled to himself. Suddenly, the telephone in the police station rang.
Sheriff Labrador, I'm Panda, boss of the candy factory. My factory has been robbed again.
Again? I'll be right there.
Sheriff Labrador put down the phone and immediately rushed to the candy factory.
Oh, dear! Sheriff Labrador, you're finally here! Oh, this was what happened. Half a month ago, a few chocolates went missing from the candy factory. I thought I had counted wrongly, so I didn't think much of it. But recently, more and more things have gone missing. I checked the security monitor and found out that we've been robbed!
Mr. Panda, was the loss substantial?
Oh, dear. It was a great loss. In this half month, I lost 8 bags of mini cakes, 9 bags of small cookies, and 10 boxes of fruit candy! Sheriff Labrador, this horrible thief has stolen so much food from me. You must help me.
Don't worry, Mr. Panda. There is no case Sheriff Labrador can't solve. May I take a look at the security camera? I might be able to find some clues.
Of course!
Mr. Panda turned on his computer and pulled up the surveillance video. Sheriff Labrador leaned in close. He saw that the camera had captured the figure of the thief. The thief looked skinny and was wearing a hat and face mask. He climbed into the candy factory through the window every night.
The thief wears a hat and face mask while he steals stuff. He never exposes his face, and I can't tell who it is. What shall I do?
Sheriff Labrador stared at the computer screen, frowning as he thought. Mr. Panda, who was watching the video with Sheriff Labrador, saw the thief grabbing bags of food and eating them. He was so upset he slapped his thighs.
Oh, dear! My cakes! Oh, dear! My fruit candy! Oh, dear! Oh, such a weird thief! He stole so much food! How can he even finish it?
That's right. So much food. Mr. Panda, is there only food missing from the candy factory? What about the money in the cabinet? Did you lose your computers?
I've checked. I didn't lose any of those things. Sheriff Labrador? This thief only steals food. Is he a glutton?
Sheriff Labrador held his chin in thought.
This thief is not interested in money or computers. He just steals food. But there's only one animal in Forestville who can eat so much. That is Star-Nosed Mole.
Star-Nosed Mole was flying a kite happily in the grass. A strong wind blew, and his kite flew to the air. At the same time, his belly started growling.
I've been running and flying my kite for a while now. It's time to eat something to renew my energy. Ha ha ha!
Star-Nosed Mole sat on the ground and started eating the snacks he had brought.
Delicious! The snacks in Mr. Panda's candy factory are quite tasty. I'll go and steal some more tonight.
Oh, really?
A hand slapped on Star-Nosed Mole's shoulders.
Who's that? Sheriff Labrador, why are you here?
The caramel chocolates in your hand are newly developed by the candy factory. They're not even for sale yet. Star-Nosed Mole, do you want to explain to me how you got them?
Star-nosed Mole suddenly panicked. At that moment, a strong wind blew, and Star-nosed Mole cried out in pain.
Ah! Help! My hand! My hand hurts!
Startled, Sheriff Labrador glanced at Star-nosed Mole's hand quickly. He saw that Mole had wrapped the string of the kite around his hand. When the wind blew, the string tightened, and the taut string was like a sharp knife cutting into his hand.
Oh no! Mole's hand is being cut by the string of the kite. I must cut the string at once.
Sheriff Labrador cut the string at once and took Mole to the hospital to treat his wound.
Star-nosed Mole, wrapping the string of a kite around your hand or body is very dangerous. You must be more careful in the future. Now, come with me to the police station. Mini episode on safety. Woof!
Yay! It's flying! Little panda, look! My kite is flying higher than all the other kites!
Wait! Little bunny! Why are you clutching the string of the kite with your hand? Let go of it! You'll cut your hand!
Yes! Sheriff Labrador's safety talk. Kites look harmless, but when there's a strong wind, the taut string of the kite becomes as sharp as a knife and can cut you easily. When you're flying kites, you must be careful. Do not wrap the string of the kite around your hand or body.